No feedback rows exist yet, so the target medium is unknown. I will start with a high information popular movie guess, Inception, because it has distinctive genre, cast, director, year, and rating feedback. I am accepting the cookie banner first, then selecting the matching drop-down row and clicking the guess button to register the guess. Type card is green. Guessed medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther than 2 years from 2010 with arrow up, so the target is newer than 2010. Rating is farther than 0.5 below 8.8 with arrow down, so target rating is under about 8.3. Overlap genres show action green, while adventure and sci-fi are gray. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page are not highlighted, and director Christopher Nolan is not highlighted. Constraints: target is a movie, released after 2010, IMDb rating lower than 8.3, includes action, excludes adventure and sci-fi from this overlap, and avoid repeating Inception. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Inception feedback says the target is newer than 2010, rating lower than 8.8, at action, and does not overlap adventure, sci-fi, Nolan, or the listed Inception actors. I will guess John Wick because it is a post-2010 action movie without adventure or sci-fi and should refine year, rating, crime/thriller genres, cast, and director overlaps. Type card is green. Guessed medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is within 2 years of 2023 with arrow up, so the target is newer than 2023. Rating is farther than 0.5 below 7.6 with arrow down, so target rating is below about 7.1. Overlap genres show action green, while crime and thriller are gray. Actors Keanu Reeves, Lawrence Fishburne, and George Georgiou are not highlighted, and director Chad Stahelski is not highlighted. Constraints: target is a movie, likely 2024 or 2025. IMDb rating under 7.1, includes action, excludes crime and thriller from this overlap, and avoid repeating John Wick, Chapter 4. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Latest feedback says the target is newer than 2023 within 2 years, has a rating lower than 7.6 by more than 0.5, includes action, and does not include crime or thriller. The Fall Guy is a 2024 action movie rated about 6.9 without crime or thriller, making it a strong fit to test comedy and drama plus Ryan Gosling, Emily Blunt, and David Leitch. Nice, we got it in 3 guesses. The answer was The Fall Guy. The key clues were that it was a movie, newer than 2023, with action confirmed, and the rating had to be much lower than John Wick, Chapter 4, which pointed us to a 2024 action comedy like this one.